Hi, I'm here with Greg and he's a development chef for Hobart, and we're here to talk about the Bonnet Precijet Combi oven.
Well, the reason I'd buy a combi oven, Becky, is because it basically just does everything. So I can remove the parts out of my kitchen that I don't need anymore. So for instance, I can steam in here. I don't need a pan of water on the stove. I can roast on here. I can sous vide in the oven. I can boil potatoes in the oven, I can cook rice, I can cook pasta in the oven. It gives me that much scope that I can do everything in here. There's different options. We can have we've got a 10 grid, a 20 grid, or there's even a 40 grid as well, where we can have the rolling cages if you're doing plated regen, etc.
On this particular 10 grid, what sort of capacity and amounts of food can we cook in this unit at any one time?
Well, I'll get 6 of your basic gastronome trays in here. If we're looking, for instance, at chicken breasts, we'll get about 120 chicken breasts in here at one time. So for banquets, etc., that's a fantastic amount.
Excellent. And in terms of use, are they fairly simple to use as opposed to a standard oven, or is it a little bit more technical?
I find it's extremely easy to use. They can be as simple or they can be as technical as you want them to be. Really looking at the manual screen straight away, all I need to do is press what option I want, adjust my temperature, and then press start. And that is a basic cook for me.
And once you finish at the end of the day, doing all your cooking throughout the day, how easy are they to clean?
With this oven, it is literally 2 buttons and we are straight onto a clean.
Excellent, fantastic. And is there anything this unit can't cook, or can it just cook a whole range?
It can cook near enough everything that you need. I'm yet to find something that I struggle with, to be honest. So, yes.
Fantastic. So like meats, vegetable, a fully English breakfast?
Yeah, we actually also have an option where we can have a different timer on every single racking system in here. So we could, for instance, like you picked up on breakfast, we could have all your breakfast lined in there and all set to different times where they come out when the product's already cooked. But yes, all your meats can be cooked in here, whether you want them fast roasted or slowly braised. It also has an overnight cook on it, and there's also a probe facility as well, which can be inserted into the meat, and then when it gets to the specific temperature set, it will automatically stop and start flashing at you.
Fantastic. So I was going to say, you can cook all of the products on different shelves, and you can set that by temperature here, or you can use a probe as well inside of the unit. So there's 2 options.
Yes, there's 2 options there, yeah.
And in terms of how easy is this system to use, can anybody use it? Do Hobart offer training with this sort of product as well? Well,
Hobart, we offer a lifetime training on all our products as well. So for instance, we know that staff turnover in the trade can be quite high in some places. So 6 months down the line, I or one of the sales team can come into your business and retrain you on the actual system, or just give you a refresher if you like as well.
Brilliant. Okay, and for such places as hotels and restaurants that may have a set menu, can you preempt that and register that into the system so it knows what types of food you're looking at, or if there's chicken you want a certain way, or colours and that sort of thing? Can you?
Yeah, of course. If we go over to the auto mode, it will show me a full programmed system. So what happens with this oven is you'll get a software which is called FastPad, and basically that is the whole interface of this oven. So you put that onto your laptop, and then you can actually develop your dishes and your programs on the laptop, download onto your USB, insert into the USB port underneath here and upload, and all your products will be on there. We'll also come out to your business and give you a hand with that. It's really simple to use, but if you wanted us to come and show you, give our opinion on how we can get the best out of the product that you're using, then we're more than happy to do that.